Hey, it's CyberCK. Today we are unboxing Samsung's latest wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I've been excited to check these out because they are packed with some cool features like active noise cancellation, improved sound quality, and the better new upgraded design. So I have ordered these along with the Flip 6 and I've got some really good 50% off discount. Feel free to check Samsung's official website. They still might have the discount if you want to order these buds along with the Flip 6 or Fold 6. So alright, let's jump straight into unboxing. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Samsung's packaging is pretty minimalistic these days, but I'm expecting all the essentials. First up, we have the charging case, followed by the earbuds themselves. They're nice and they look very premium. I've ordered this silver color just to match my Flip 6, plus my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, so all my gadgets will be silver. That's what I love the consistency. So inside the box, you have got everything you need. The charging case, which is nice, solid to feel, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro themselves, and this box. Let's see, so we have got again USB-C to C cable and extra set of, well, these are two sets of tips for the ears. And we have got some documentation, the guide. So that's it. Now let's take a close look at Galaxy Buds Pro themselves. First impressions, the Buds 3 Pro have a sleek design. The matte finish gives them a premium look, and they are super compact. They look like they'll be easy to carry around. The case is small enough to fit in my pocket, and I'm really liking the lightweight design, especially for long listening sessions. This was the whole unboxing for Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I'm looking forward to testing the sound quality, noise cancellation, and how they perform overall. If you're interested in hearing my full review after I spend some time with these, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching CyberCK. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, guys.